Good morning, YouTube. We are here in Parkdale. Just got off the 501 bus. It's Thursday, October 13th, 2022, and the time is around 11 a.m. in the morning. Also showing some 504C buses on detour currently due to road maintenance on Roncesvalles Avenue. So we saw some 501s and 504s. And now we are here at Dundas West Subway Station. Just got off the 504C and showing some footage here. It was a slightly overcast day with some rain at Dundas West. Seems that the repairs that they had been going on for the last few months seem to be pretty much all done now, which is great. Just showing some of the surface vehicles here at Dundas West Station on line 2, Bloor Danforth line. Also noticed some people who are working here on some of the electrical components of the TTC here at the station. Not sure exactly what they're doing, but they were working there and thought it would be interesting to show some of the footage of that. I think at one point they also operated the vacuum cleaner, which you'll see. And here we have another Nova LFS bus. Many Novas and Orions shown here in this video. And I believe that's the 40 Junction bus going to... Sorry, that's the 40 Dundas West bus going to Jane and St. Clair. The Dundas West Station had sections of it closed off for several months from the springtime, so there was a lot of rerouting going on in that area. I suppose if you looked on the site, you could look for more details. Well, looks like they're done now. They packed up their stuff and they're heading back on the elevator. I wanted to go with them, but there wasn't any room, so I had to catch the next elevator to go down. Dundas West is such a great station. Perhaps you'd like to share your favorite subway station if you're locally in Toronto. Dundas West is a favorite, that's for sure. Excuse me. And then we have now the 7912 bus here. Some footage of that and some surface buses there on the street on Edna Avenue. And now we've entered into the subway to head westbound on line 2. Now you can pretty much sit anywhere you like on the subway, so it's a lot better now, taking the better way on the subway. There's no seat restrictions or anything, really. And now we are in the Bloor West Village, so we took the subway westbound to Runnymede, and now I'm just showing some footage of some of the local buses around Bloor and Runnymede Road. For example, this is the 71 here, the 71 Runnymede. And we have the 79 as well, 79 Runnymede. Sorry, 79 Scarlet Road. And we have a 77 Swansea bus coming in. Yes, and it stops actually next to the old McDonald's, because previously the stop used to be before the light, but they changed it. And now we ventured a little further west to Jane. So these are some 9:35 buses coming through at Jane and Bloor. On the 7975, the Orion. Oh, and here we are back at Runnymede. Just had some pigeons there with me in front of the bus. Right in front of the Runnymede 77 Swansea bus. Some pigeons were thinking about boarding the bus too, but I think they wanted to enjoy some snacks first. They were quite excited. I used to see pigeons at the Dundas West station. In fact, I have a couple of videos about that if you look on my channel. And there's the bus leaving. Yeah, the 77 leaving. Departing to the Queensway. Heading south. And we ventured back on the subway, and here we are at Old Mill Station and showing some of the 66 buses on the Nova LFSs. I believe that's a 66A. And then we have the 66B coming through momentarily. But currently it's, sorry, not in service. At one point, we used to only have the Orion buses, but now on the 66 route, it's predominantly the Nova LFSs. And now we're back on Lakeshore, and we have showing some 501 buses here at Parkland and Lakeshore with footage from the 66 bus, 66B. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day.